Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle. It is really hot today. I'm like literally sweating. It's hot. It was yesterday's hot. So I decided to do like a cute, quick hairstyle for the summers when you just don't want your hair down because it's too hot and you know all the other hot stuff and going on. So anyways, so the products I'm going to be using this brush, simple just brush. We'll be using some Ussie Instant Freeze. I'm almost out of it. And I'm just going to use a simple water, and I'm going to use little bobby pins. I'm going to use two, like, there you go, two. So, and you're going to also need a hair tie. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I like this hairstyle because I do it I do it in the summer because it should look so cute. But this is what my hair looks like. I know I wasn't born with straight hair, but this is what I got. Curly hair. I showered last night, so yeah. But anyways, I'm going to use the camera as my mirror. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab this side, flip it this side, my hair. So you're going to have like a side hair. Now I like to water my hair because I have so many flyaways going on because of my curly hair. So I like to do that. I like that. And I also like to put gel or hairspray.
But I like more gel. I think I'm running out. You guys, am I running out of this? Oh no, there it is. See? Ta-da! So.
Let me just put it on like so. Put it on like that. I like it nice and flat. Anyways, now I'm gonna grab this part here and I'm gonna just start twisting it like that. Simple. I hope it comes out right looking. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna bobby pin it. Oh. So you're gonna have something like this, a little twist. Now we're gonna twist this side too, like that, and we're going to bobby pin it. Oh, I always hurt myself with bobby pins. So now you have a side here and a little side there. Now we're gonna grab the remaining hair, and I'm gonna grab some water because I have a bunch of flyaways. I'm gonna grab your hair, and you're just going to make a bun. And so you're gonna make a bun like this, or however you like however you do your buns. But I like to do my buns like that. And I'm just gonna grab some more hair gel. God, I'm messing up today. Okay. I'm running out of gel. I need a good gel. I'm just gonna go like that. Okay. So just start fixing it together. And the way you like it, that's how it goes. This is a whole quick hairstyle. So you have a twist here and a twist here. You can definitely do more twist here, but that's how I like to do it. Let me give you a close-up look so you guys can see how it looks like that. So this was a simple hairstyle. Just need gel, water, and some bobby pins and a hair tie, and you are good to go. So yeah, simple hairstyle for summer, and for summer you still look cute. And yeah, so this is a simple one. I do this when it's getting hot. Now that it's summer, I'm gonna start wearing my hair up. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I also want to give a shout out second shout out, which I'm so happy, is for Jay Sconey. Am I saying that right? I hope I'm saying it right. I'm bad at pronouncing, by the way, so sorry. Hi, Mr. Jay Sconey. Thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for like comment below that you want a shout out. That's the second shout out, which I'm super excited. So if anyone wants a shout out, comment below. I would love to make shout outs to anyone. I think these are pretty fun. I get excited, and yeah, so shout out to Jay Sconey, and yeah, comment below if anyone wants a shout out. So yes, simple hairstyle. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's not that hard. Just click and you're subscribed, because I want to hit 200 subscribers. I'm almost there for 200 subscribers. I know you guys can do it. Just, you know, go in the mouse and click and you're subscribed. But yes, so subscribe and push that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day, you guys, and thanks for the shout outs, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.